A Finnish actor demonstrates his incredible talent for mimicking a cow by getting an entire herd of cows to come to him just by using his voice. Wow, how handy would this guy be on a cattle drive? I'm Jen Markham on Buzz 60. Comedian Rooney Rock is known for his amazing animal impressions. A video of him making 30 different convincing animal sounds was viewed over 800,000 times on YouTube. While on tour in Finland with the show Stand Up Finlandia, Rock came across a farm full of cows and decided to show his fellow comedians his talent for animal mimicry is so good he can even influence other animals. At first, nothing seems to be happening with the cows. But sure enough, they all come right over to the fence to gather where Rock is standing. It's pretty amazing, but who knows what the cows are thinking? They could be answering a call, but maybe they're just trying to figure out what the heck this human is doing making the weird noises. Or they're just wondering, when is the concert going to start? Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.